firecracker explodes into 3 fragments on a smooth horizontal surface. Given the masses and velocity of the 2 fragments, determine the velocity of the third. So the idea is we have 3 fragments in this case, so we're going to label them fragment 1. Allow me to use F1. Then here we have fragment 2. Then here we have fragment 3. So for the first fragment, it's going to have mass 1 and velocity 1. For the second fragment, same thing, m2, v2. And for the third, m3, v3. Now, this was one object initially. Then after the explosion, it split into 3 parts. And initially, before it exploded, it was at rest, because before the explosion, of course, it will be resting, then it explodes into 3 fragments. So we're going to use the conservation of momentum, where momentum initial is equals to momentum final. But of course, we're going to take the summation on both sides. So summation initial is equals to summation final. Now, for the initial, the firecracker had no momentum, simply because it was resting. So initial momentum is 0. On the other side, we have 3 fragments. So we have the momentum for fragment 1, the momentum for fragment 2, and the momentum for fragment 3. We know that momentum is mass times velocity. So this is m1 times v1 plus m2 times v2 plus m3 times v3. So the question said, determine the velocity of the third fragment. So we have the masses and velocities for the first 2 fragments. So let's find the third one. So in short, we're just going to make v3 the subject of the formula. So to do that, I can rewrite my equation now as negative m1 v1 minus m2 v2. This is equals to m3 v3. Left hand side, that negative is common. I can factor it out. So that will be negative, open bracket, m1 v1 minus, or rather plus now, because we factored out the negative, m2 v2. This is equals to m3 times v3. We're looking for velocity, so divide both sides by m3. This means that the expression for velocity v3 will be equals to negative, open bracket, m1 v1 plus m2 v2, and all this is over the third mass, which is m3. So there we have it. This is the expression for the third velocity.